Section 3.3.9. Rose had just completed her second semester in college. She earned a grade of B in her 2-hour differential equations course, a grade of A in her 1-hour history course, a grade of C in her 3-hour quantum physics course, and a grade of A in her 5-hour quantum laboratory course. Assuming that A equals 4 points, B equals 3 points, C equals 2 points, and D equals 1 point, and F is worth no points, determine Rose's grade point average for the semester. Now, step 1, finding Rose's grade point average is just like finding the weighted mean of her grades. Each course grade is a category, and the number of course hours for that grade is the frequency. Remember that the weighted mean is given by the formula. The weighted mean is equal to the numerical grade times the hours, finding the sum of that, divided by the sum of the hours. So, X is going to represent the midpoint or the value of that class, where W is going to represent the weight of that class, and N is the number of classes. So, first thing we want to do is we're going to create a chart. So here's the course: differential equations, history, quantum physics, quantum laboratory. Then we have a letter grade. We know the letter grade for differential equations is a B. So up here, we can see that we have a grade of B, and so we know that a B is going to equal 3 points. So we have 3. And then for history, we have a grade of A, and we know that a grade of A is going to equal 4 points. And then in quantum physics, she received the grade of C, and a grade of C is going to equal 2 points. And then in quantum laboratory, she received the grade of A, which represents 4 points. Okay, now we need to look at the hours. Okay, so what were the hours for the grade of B in differential equations? Well, that was 2 hours. So we're going to have 2 down here. And then for the history course, it was a 1-hour history course, so that's 1. For quantum physics, it was a 3-hour. And then for the quantum library course, it was a 5-hour. So now what we've done is we created a chart to kind of give us a nice table to be able to reference what we're looking at. So now what we want to do is we want to find the total number of course hours in the 4th row. Well, the course hours is adding up the course hours, so the sum of WI is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5, and that gives us a total of 11. Then what we need to do is we need to find the weighted mean formula. So we have to multiply each x1, which is the numerical grade, by the corresponding hours. So we're taking 3 times 2 plus 4 times 1 plus 2 times 3 plus 4 times 5. Well, that gives us 6 plus 4 times 6 plus 20, which gives us 36. And now part 5, we're going to use the formula given earlier to compute the weighted mean. So the weighted mean is going to equal the sum of the each x multiplied by the w to give us 36, divided by the sum of the hours, which is 11, rounding it to 2 decimal places gives us 3.27. So therefore, Rose's grade point average is 3.27.